Here I have VIVO Y66 and let me show you how to speed up this device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the iManager, and here you can check out until the device will be scanned. Now you can check to optimize. Let's click to optimize the system. The phone is free up some memory, and that's it. The phone is already in optimal status. Let's go back. You can also here tap space cleanup if you would like to. The phone is looking for any junk files that you can delete. Here you've got the results. If everything is alright, you should see the following look. Alright, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.